Hi guys, happy Monday. Today is Monday, April 27th, and I am so excited that you guys join us again. We have another week of learning. First thing you're gonna do today is your warm up. Okay, so like I said, the first thing you're gonna do today is your warm up. I want you to solve this problem. 5 equals something divided by 10. So go ahead and take 2 minutes and see if you can come up with the answer to this problem. 5 equals something divided by 10. There, you have about 15 seconds left. If you haven't finished, that's okay, but I hope you did try something. And then in just a moment, we're gonna go over the answer. All right, for 5 equals something divided by 10, this triangle can also be replaced with a question mark. It doesn't matter. But when I look at this equation, the first thing I notice is that my equation's flipped around. I don't like the way it looks. I like it better when my equal sign is on this side. So I'm gonna rewrite it. Something, and I just moved this, divided by 10 equals 5. I like that a lot better, but I still don't know what I have to divide by 10 to get 5. I don't know what I have to divide by 10 to get 5. So when I have a missing variable in a multiplication or division problem, I use my get triangle, and I go ahead and set it up, and I use my get triangle to get to my answer. All right, when I divide, guys, where is the total in my problem? Is it here at the beginning? Or is it here at the end? When I'm dividing, I am sharing, right? So if I'm sharing, am I sharing a total amount? Or do I get my total at the end? I hope that you came up with, when we divide, we start with our total, all of everything we have that we share with maybe 10 friends, which are our groups, and they get 5 each. So I'm looking, I've got my total is what I don't know, divided by 10 groups equals 5 in each. And remember, to use the get triangle successfully, I put my 2 numbers and find the operation in between them. So what am I gonna do to find the answer to this problem? I'm gonna do 10 times 5. And 10 times 5 equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10 times 5 equals 50. So guys, your bonus question today on your practice is when you say, what was the answer to the first warm-up problem? Sorry, what was the answer to the first warm-up problem? And you are going to write 50, because Ms. Flint gave it to you, and you are going to get that answer correct. Awesome job, guys. All right. Problem number 2. A farmer fills 4 boxes with eggs. Each box holds 6 eggs. After the farmer fills the boxes, he has 3 eggs left over. How many total eggs does the farmer have? You have 2 minutes to solve this problem. I'll read it again. A farmer fills 4 boxes with eggs. Making those pictures in your head of a farmer filling 4 boxes with eggs. Each box holds 6 eggs. That picture now is becoming more clear. Each box holds 6 eggs. After the farmer fills the boxes, he has 3 eggs left over. How many total eggs does the farmer have? You have about a minute left. A farmer fills 4 boxes with eggs. Each box holds 6 eggs. After the farmer fills the boxes, he has 3 eggs left over. How many total eggs does the farmer have? We have about 10 to 15 more seconds left. Again, if you didn't finish, guys, you can, and you really are adamant about finishing and want to see if you get the correct answer that I'm about to go over with you, pause this. Press the pause button, finish the problem, and then play again, because I'm going to go ahead and go over the answer now, all right? It says a farmer fills 4 boxes with eggs. Each box holds 6 eggs, all right? So a farmer has 4 boxes. We'll go ahead and close the boxes. All right, and each box, he has 4 boxes, each box holds 6 eggs. So this one holds 6, this one holds 6, this one holds 6, and this one holds 6. There are 6 eggs in each box. All right, after the farmer filled the boxes, so he filled them, after he fills the boxes, he has 3 eggs left over. So he's got 1, 2, 3 eggs left over. How many total eggs does the farmer have? He has 4 boxes with 6 in each. 4 times 6. And if I don't know the answer to that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. That's how many are in the boxes. Don't forget about the 3 left over. He's got those eggs too. So add those 3 equals 27. How many total eggs did the farmer have? He had C, 27 total eggs. All right, guys, so for today's learning, we are going to understand, read it with me, I can understand fractions as a number, all right? So we're gonna understand what they mean in regards to a number. So show what you know, go around your house and find something that is broken into equal parts of either halves, fourths, or eighths. Record the fraction and send a picture to your teacher. Don't go break something to make it though, all right? My number is right here. That is the only number you need to worry about, all right? So find something that is broken into equal parts, either halves, fourths, or eighths. Take a picture and send it to me. I can't wait to see all your pictures. Okay. James put a point at 3/8 on the number line. Which number line shows 3/8? James put a point at 3/8 on the number line. Which number line shows 3/8? Now, I unfortunately cannot write on my screen, of course, but I'm going to try and walk you through this the best I can. So, let me put my lid on my marker so I don't do this accidentally. All right. Remember, when we're looking at a number line, we look at the whole number, so the 0 to 1, all right? And we count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So A is broken up into fourths. So I'm gonna write that right there, just to jot down for me. A is broken up into fourths, all right? That point is at 1, 2, 3, fourths. So that point is at 3/4, just jotting it down. Looking at B now. All right, B, C, and D will be what we do the same thing for. So between my whole 0 and 1, I need to count the spaces. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. So B is broken up into 6. And if I were able to write on this, underneath here, I'd write 0, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6. Ooh, that point is at 2, 6. All right, I'm gonna write that down there. C, again, looking at my whole of my number line. So between 0 and 1, I've got 1, 2, 3 spaces. I have thirds on this number line. All right, and I am between 1/3, 2/3. So my dot is on 2/3. All right, and then D, looking between 0 and 1. All right, so let me get rid of that. Let's count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is broken into 8s. Ooh, yay. 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. This says James put a point at 3/8 on the number line. Which number line shows 3/8? Looking at my answer choices, which number line showed 3/8? D. All right. So D would be the correct answer for that problem. All right. Number 2, it says, what fraction does the point on this number line represent? So looking at this number line, I find my whole, so between 0 and 1, and I count my spaces. 1, 2, 3 spaces. All right, so this number line is broken up into thirds. I have 3 total parts in my whole. All right, so what fraction is this? 0/3, 1/3, 2/3. Ooh, right there. That point is at 2/3, and D also gives me 2/3. Yay! All right, so D is the correct answer for that problem. What fraction can replace K on the number line? All right, so looking at my wholes, always finding those holes. So 0 and 1, I'm counting my spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 parts or 6 spaces in my hole right here. All right, so this one would be 0/6 if I could write on there. 1/6, 2/6. Ooh, do I see anything that says 2/6? It's got a 6 and a 2, but that says 6 halves. 2/6. Remember, your total number of pieces will always be at the bottom. They will trick you and try to see if you know the difference. But the correct answer is C for this problem, okay? Don't let them trick you. All right. What fraction can replace S on the number line? So again, looking at my number line, I should find my what first? The spaces between my whole, right? Yeah, good. All right, so I found my whole. Count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 spaces. So this whole piece is broken up into 8s. There's only one answer choice that has it broken up into 8s. Hopefully this is 6/8. If not, I would have to find an equivalent fraction. Yeah, good job, boys and girls. So 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. C is the correct answer. And I believe that is it for you today, all right? So the math assignment is here. There will also be a read aloud version for you that I have not yet made. But once the read aloud is up and going, you will click that. If you get read aloud, you will click math assignment. If you get the math assignment without read aloud, all right? So just identifying a fraction in a model is all you're doing today. And we have done a great job of doing that. And I can't wait to see what you do afterwards. And you worked so hard. Go ahead and take your brain break. Give yourself a break. And if you've not done reading, go ahead and do reading. All right, guys, love you. Can't wait to see your hard work. Use paper, use pencil, always, all right? Can't wait to see what you've done. I already said that. Don't forget the answer to your bonus question on your practice today is 50. So make sure you have that answer because you watched this video, okay? Love you, bye.